For nucleic acid removal in biopharmaceutical manufacturing, endonucleases derived from Serratia marcescens are the established industry standard. Endonuclease activity is typically reported in units measured using vendor-specific release assays. But comparing these values is not as straightforward as it seems. With different release assays, different substrates, and different definitions of units. So how can CoA activity values generated by different assay methods be compared? c-LEcta presents a direct data-driven comparison of DENARASE and Benzonase using the same release assay. If you care about comparability, dual sourcing, and informed decision-making in regulated manufacturing, this poster is for you. Come and talk to us on site and see what the data really says.